In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find expired posts in Meta Business Suite. If you manage content for a Facebook page or business account, knowing where to locate expired posts can be really helpful. Expired posts are typically time-sensitive posts that are no longer active, and finding them can make it easier to review older promotions, clean up your content workflow, or simply confirm whether a scheduled or limited time post has already expired. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and make sure you're in the correct business account or page where you want to check your posts. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where Meta groups most of your content management tools. From there, click on Content. This section is the main hub for viewing and managing posts, stories, reels, and other published or scheduled content. If you've never explored this area before, it's a useful place to get familiar with because it helps you organize what has already gone live, what is scheduled, and what may no longer be active. After you open the content section, look near the top of the page for the available content tabs or filters. You should see an option labeled Expired. Go ahead and click on the Expired tab. This will filter the view so you can specifically see posts that have already expired. Once you're in this tab, you'll be able to review the expired content associated with that account. This is especially useful if you need to verify whether a promotional post has ended, track previous campaigns, or double-check content that was only intended to be visible for a limited period of time. If you don't immediately see the post you're looking for, take a moment to review whether you're in the right account page or content library. In some cases, businesses manage multiple assets inside Meta Business Suite, so being in the correct location makes a big difference. It can also help to give the page a second to fully load, especially if you're working with a large amount of content. And that's it. To find expired posts in Meta Business Suite, simply go to Content and then open the Expired tab. It's a quick process, but it can save you time when you need to review older time-based content efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate Meta Business Suite more confidently.